Hi there. Today we're going to walk you through what happens when your freight shipment arrives and how you play a key role in making sure everything goes smoothly. By following a few simple steps, you'll help protect your order, avoid extra charges, and make claims easier if something does go wrong. Let's get started. First, delivery scheduling. If you've not arranged a specific delivery date with our team, you'll need to accept the shipment when the truck arrives. If you delay or refuse the delivery without prior coordination, you may face extra fees like storage, reconsignment, or return shipping. So keep your schedule clear or let us know ahead of time if you need a special delivery window. Next, Liftgate service. If your delivery location doesn't have a loading dock or you need extra help unloading, please request Liftgate service at the time you place your order. Please note, even if you request it and then end up not using it, you'll still be charged for it, so plan carefully. Also, if you didn't request a liftgate but one is available to use at time of delivery, using it will result in an additional charge. In addition to liftgate services, it's important for dealers to learn if their customers need a delivery appointment and/or if their location is limited access or residential, as these also incur additional expenses. Now we get into the most important part, your rights and responsibilities when accepting freight. It's your right and responsibility to inspect your shipment at the time of delivery. You must note any damage or missing parts on the bill of lading, which is the driver's delivery document. You must make the driver sign that document, so there's proof the damage or missing items were documented in your presence. It's also important to get a copy of the driver-signed bill of lading so you have the needed documentation when filing a claim. You also have the right to refuse the entire shipment if you discover unacceptable damage. On the flip side, you're responsible for disposing of all packaging materials, pallets, shrink wrap, banding, etc. The driver's obligation stops at bringing the shipment to the end of his truck. Unloading beyond that is your responsibility. When inspecting, take full advantage of the time freight carriers are required to allow you, typically up to 15 to 30 minutes. Use that time to open boxes, check for dents, cracks, broken parts, or missing items, even if everything looks okay from the outside. If you find damage, here's what you do. On both copies of the bill of lading, write damaged and describe the issue. If items are missing, write order incomplete. Make sure the driver signs and initials both copies. Take photos of the damaged items. It's very helpful when filing a claim. Then notify your Oak Street account manager immediately via phone or email. If damage is not noted at delivery, Oak Street cannot be held liable, so this step is critical. Finally, if any issues arise, or even if you just have questions, reach out to your Oak Street account manager. You can call 877-465-4344 Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. They're ready to help. By following these steps, accepting the delivery on time, requesting liftgate service when needed, carefully inspecting the shipment, documenting any damage, and involving your account manager, you help make sure your order arrives in perfect condition and that any problems get handled quickly and fairly. This is all important because modifications and charges after products have invoiced and shipped will be charged to your account. Thank you again for choosing Oak Street Manufacturing. We're proud to build quality restaurant furnishings, and we're committed to making sure your delivery experience is just as solid. To learn more about Oak Street's delivery guide and all our quality products, resources, and capabilities, go to oakstreetmfg.com and follow us on our socials: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at Oak Street MFG. See you next time.